Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to chat with Netflix. If you are trying to chat with the Netflix customer service, then you can do it directly through the Netflix app or the Netflix website. To do it with the website, first of all, open up your web browser on your computer or your mobile device and then type in netflix.com in the URL box. Make sure to sign into your Netflix account as well, and once you are inside the main home page, mouse over to your avatar at the top right corner and click on Help Center to open up the Help Center page. Once you end up in the Netflix Help Center, go ahead and search for your issue using the search box. Type in your issue, it can be anything that you are having trouble with. Now after searching for your issue, you can browse through the categories from the search results. If you can't find a solution, then you can look for the Contact Us button at the bottom of the screen. After you click on Contact Us, on the next page you will get to this interface over here where it says Get in Touch. Here you can click on this Chat with Us button available at the bottom and speak to the customer service agent. Click on Chat with an agent and explain your issue with the customer service agent. Provide relevant details such as error messages or specific steps you've taken, and you will be able to contact and chat with the customer service agent for Netflix. The customer service agent will take some time to understand your issue and provide a solution. So that's how you easily chat with the Netflix customer service directly with the Netflix website. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.